Hello, everyone. Welcome to JS Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to install Python 3.8 in Windows 10. Now, let's get started. Go to the bottom left corner and click on the Windows logo. Then, type RUN and select Run Application from the search result. After that, in the Run app, type CMD and click on the OK button. Then, in command prompt, type Python and press Enter key. Now, Windows will directly move to the Microsoft Store application and shows you the download link for Python 3.8. Then, click on the Get button. If you want to sign in your account, then click on the Sign In button. Otherwise, click on No Thanks. After that, click on the Install button. Again, it will ask for a sign-in account, then simply close this Windows. Now, Python 3.8 has started downloading. After completing the download, close this window and open Command Prompt Application. In the command prompt, type Python, just like before. Then, you will see Python 3.8.5, which is installed on your computer. Now, I am going to print my name. Okay. This much for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.